students, yesterday we have seen some word problems from practice set 1.5. We have completed almost all the questions. Today we will solve one hot question. Okay, the question is based on time, distance and speed. So let us begin. In this question we have a person named Vishal. Okay, so this Vishal is traveling from one point to another point, maybe from one city to another city, and he is traveling in between these two cities by two means, bus and aeroplane. Okay, so this total distance is 1900 kilometer. This total distance is 1900 kilometer. So some distance he traveled by bus, some distance he traveled by aeroplane. So we have to find distance traveled by bus. Okay, we will begin the question by saying that first of all we will make two variables. Okay. See, let Vishal traveled x kilometers by bus and y kilometers by plane. Now, as we know, the total distance is 1900. So automatically our first condition is present there. How? Therefore, distance traveled by bus and distance traveled by aeroplane is the total distance traveled, which is 1900. Okay. Then see, I will explain you the next condition. In the next condition, suppose this is the total distance. We show total distance by a segment. Then to go from this point to this point, from one point to other point, we shall require 5 hours total time. So total time is 5 hours. Now to cover this distance of 5 hours, now Vishal uses two means of travel, bus and aeroplane. So some time he took out of 5 hours, he took sometimes by bus and the remaining time by aeroplane. So now we have the formula: speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, now this is the time, or simply I will write down here time taken by bus, time taken by plane. Okay, total time is 5 hours. Now time taken by bus is nothing but the distance upon speed, distance traveled by bus upon speed of the bus. Now distance traveled by bus is x kilometer, so x, and speed of the bus is given in the question, it is 60. So for bus this is distance upon speed. So distance upon speed, distance of bus, distance covered by bus upon speed of the bus gives you time of the bus or time taken by bus. Similarly, in case of aeroplane, the distance upon speed, distance is y, and the speed of the aeroplane was 700. So time So this is the time taken by bus, this is the time taken by plane, and the total time taken is 5 hours. Okay, it takes 5 hours to complete the journey. So we will say that here we will write down something. Okay, see. Now time is equal to distance upon speed. Therefore, for bus, time is distance x upon speed. So x by 60 hour for bus. For aeroplane, distance is y, speed is 700, so y by 700 hours. This is the time taken by aeroplane. Total time we will say by given condition. By given condition, time taken by bus plus time taken by aeroplane, both the time, if you add them, it is given that 5 hours. Now we cross multiply them. Okay, so 700 into x, 700 x, 60 into y, 60 y, 60 into 700 is equals to 5. Now 700x plus 60y, 6 7s are 42, so 5 into 42000. So 700x plus 60y, if you multiply them, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. 1 2 3. Call it equation number 3. Now in equation 1 we have x plus y is equal to, we will multiply equation 1 by 60. Multiply equation 1 by 60, we get, okay, 60 into x, 60x, 60 into y, 60y, 60 means 6 into 19, 1 14, okay, 60. So in this way, already equation number 4. Now here you can see 60y, we divide, we subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Okay, in these two equations we subtract 700x minus 60x, 640x is equal to 60 minus 60 is gone, and here you will get 96000. Okay, then x is equal to 96000000640. Okay, so in this way you got x is equal to 150. But what is x? X is the time traveled, distance traveled by bus. Therefore distance traveled by bus is 150 kilometers. Okay, in this way we have finished the question.